Okay. Beep, beep. Okay. Charlie, what does a fishy say? Yeah. What does a lion say?
Roar.
Oh, roar.
Bridget.
Oh, you hear the motorcycle outside? And what does...
Bridget.
Are you ready?
Bridget.
What does an elephant say?
Bear.
Tell me again. What does the elephant say?
Bear.
With a big trunk? Yeah, Auntie Moss told you that one. And what does Steve drive around in? How does Steve go places? What does he use?
Bridget.
Oh, yeah?
Bridget.
Steve car?
Yeah?
Bridget.
Oh, that's
Did we see Pop's car yesterday? Pop's car? Pop's car?
I'm a country girl.
Oh, yeah?
I'm
Oh, are you 19 months old?
a
Did you want a bite? Please?
More, please.
Peanut... Mmm.
burger.
I like peanut butter on my toast. Are you a handsome guy?
Charlie, what's on your pajamas?
Car. Car.
Do you sound like you're from Boston?
Fire truck. What does the fire truck say? What does the siren say?
Car.
Charlie, tell me again, what does a doggy say?
What's a doggy
It
say,
says,
Charlie?
I want more breakfast.
What's a doggy say?
If it's Illy Bean, it definitely...